So here's the truth most people don't want to hear. About 80% of annual weight gain happens between Thanksgiving and New Year's. And the sad part is that most people never lose it. That's one of the reasons why we put weight on through the years. But if you're keto and carnivore, you've worked way too hard to let these 6 weeks undo all the healing that you've accomplished. The average person during this time frame gains anywhere from 1 to 5 pounds over the holidays. And by March, 70% of those people haven't lost it. And it's not because that one meal at Thanksgiving, it's because that one meal turned into a season. A cookie here, a bite here, and we've all done this. I'll start again in January. And I have to say that was true probably for the first couple years of my keto journey. But you, my carnivore and keto folks, you are not just dieting. You are reversing metabolic damage. Your blood sugar is better. Your inflammation is down. Your joints don't hurt anymore, or they hurt a whole lot less. Some of you may be off your blood pressure medications or even metformin, and you've quieted those cravings that used to control you. We know how big that is. That's huge. And one holiday season of oh well can wake all that right back up. Blood sugar spikes, cravings return, brain fog, fatigue, inflammation, all of it. So as I always say, this is not about perfection. This is about protection, about remembering that holidays are a day, not a 6-week sugar marathon. You can celebrate the day with joy without turning the whole season into a full-blown relapse. So tomorrow is Strategy Saturday, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, whether you're keto or carnivore, how to enjoy the holiday, eat with family, and still wake up the next morning in ketosis if you want to, or not a carb coma. But before you go, I would love your opinion. What would help you most over the holidays? Would you like to see keto and carnivore holiday menus, sample menus? Alternative desserts that won't spike your blood sugar, carnivore or no flour gravy, a keto carnivore charcuterie board for parties, or how to build a holiday plate without falling off track. Tell me in the comments below, because I'm creating these videos over the next few weeks just for you. And I'm curious, what holiday food tempts you the most? Mashed potatoes, the stuffing, the pumpkin pie. For me, it can be the stuffing, my homemade cranberry sauce, cookies, or my apple pie. But not this year. We're not going back. This is Dr. Rose, the Primal Professor. I'll see you in the next Daily Spoonful.